So I got these two Castmaster-like spoons. Let's add not a bucktail, but a ducktail to them. All I did was attach the feather about halfway through the hook. That way you get all this fluff towards the end. And I started off with just a simple overhand knot. See? A little overhand knot. Using some leftover braid that I had. And this is actually really simple. You just take one end and you start wrapping it around. And then you just continue wrapping. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And there you have it. That's my wrap so far. It looks terrible, but wait for it. We're gonna tie it off using an overhand knot. Again. Which makes this very simple. And two. Perfect. Then get our clippers. And then clip all our loose tag ends off. And there you have it. A couple of duck-tailed bucktails for your Castmaster spoons. I've seen bass, jump and like snag these feathers off the water. So I figured I'd pick some up. And, just using some leftover braid that I had, just tied them onto the hooks real quick. And of course, sealed it with a little bit of, nail polish. So bam. Right there. Add a little flair to your Castmaster spoons. I'm sure these will hit.